Good morning. Here in Los Angeles in Bel-Air Estates. I'm going to show you guys a project that we just completed, and you will see the pool and spa. It's separated, two different bodies of water. And I'm going to also show you the water feature that we added. The pool is actually a remodel, and we changed the shape of it in order to go a little bit more with the architecture, adding a new element as the water feature with bubblers, like a small water wall. The rest, it's very flowing in this property. Everything is back from the 30s. It's an all new revival, colonial, beautiful work done here. So I'm gonna switch it over. I'm gonna walk you through, guys, through what we did here. All right. So as you can see, here's the bubblers, the water feature that we added. So none of this was here. It was just a retaining wall. And so we added the bubblers with the water feature. It circulates all the time. Pool is a pebble fina, Bella Blue. We have a custom order coping stone all over the property. This was ordered from Europe. It's Belgium stone. So we have here our deck also, teak deck with no seams, only no drilling. So we have none of those holes. We have our, for example, our skimmers are totally hidden, can't see it. The spa was an add-on. The spa didn't exist, and it's actually on the verge of the slope. So it's on a pile, big pile, it's about 36 diameter, with a lot of steel. And we did a 3-side infinity. I designed the spa to be a little bit more modern and to have a lot of lighting. As you can see, here's a channel where the water overflows. So it's what we call the vanishing edge on the end. Even though you can see it right now, it's a little windy, but the effect of blending with the horizon once you're inside the spa is that feature. Give you guys a little sneak peek of the property, the pool, and here's the cabana, pool house. There's lots of entertainment areas in this property where people can go and retreat and either read a book, or you can hear the soothing sound of the water wall with the bubblers. Hope you guys can pick that up. We have it just at the right speed, so it's not splashing anywhere. Of course, we're running this with variable speed pumps, and everything is automated. The bubblers have lights. I'll share a video on an evening, and we have 4 lights in the pool. Also 4 speakers. This is awesome. A lot of amenities we can incorporate the pools now these days. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the swimming pool spa remodel by J Designs. If you have any more questions or concerns about anything we've talked about in this video, contact us today and we'll find out what the construction process looked like for your custom pool by going on to jdesigns.com and booking an appointment.